Hey guys, it's Adam O'Leary, Encite Branding, Marketing, and Creative. Today, we're calling all web designers, developers, and decision makers. This video blog is for you. We know that it's difficult to kind of stay up to date and ahead of the curve in the digital age, which is why we thought it might be helpful to compile a list of tips for creating a website that stands out and gets you the kind of attention you want. Tip number one, don't stay in one dimension. Our physical world takes place in a three-dimensional reality, so why shouldn't our web pages? Simply adding a shadow effect or visual elements on your website can draw the eye where you want it to go. It can create the illusion of depth, and it can keep people engaged. Tip number two, be bold. It doesn't really matter whether your brand uses a serif or sans serif font. Some level of contrast will be imperative to hold your visitors' attention when they first get to your site. The easiest way to do that, alternate between bolded and regularly weighted type. Not only does this provide necessary visual cues about when to scroll, when to stop, and what information is the most important, it's been proven to increase engagement and lower bounce rates. Tip number three, go against the grain. 99.99% of websites these days feature a vertical scroll with a stacked design. And not for a bad reason, it's because it's a design that works. But it's not exactly unique. Playing with a horizontal scroll could be an option for the ambitious developer. Now, if you're an amateur, you might want to be best to kind of hold off on this and let the other people test the theory. And tip number four, get creative with the color wheel. Now, while it's important to stay on brand, of course, and keep your graphic standards in mind when it comes to any sort of design, websites included, but don't forget about the vast array of colors and combinations that can easily be manipulated to draw the eye of potential customers. Vibrant primary colors like bright reds and blues pop and immediately grab our attention, as do illustrations, animations, and other fun visual elements. But don't go crazy, but make sure your design isn't getting stale either. So, like most things that fall under the umbrella of branding, marketing, and creative, the task of updating and maintaining a state-of-the-art web presence can seem like a really big one. But it is, and that's where a professional ad agency comes in. So if there's ever a need for you guys to need somebody to come in and consult with you from a web design standpoint, we can help. Our experience working through the challenges, large and small, and building responsive, important, intuitive, important, and beautiful websites, important for our clients, is something we do every day. So reach out today. We can start and help you build a brand and a website that works. That's all I got for today, guys. We'll see you next time.